Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to showing how to change your Facebook password. Okay, let's start. First click Facebook open. Click your profile icon. Scroll down. Setting and privacy. Click for setting. Account center. Click for account center. Scroll down. Click for password and security. Click for change password. Facebook account. Current password, that means old password. New password. Next, retype password. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.